Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is rental. If you have extra space or items you're not using, you can rent them out and earn passive income. From vacation rentals to equipment leasing, there are endless opportunities. Start by listing your space or items on platforms like Airbnb or Fat Llama. Many people earn $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on the demand and location. To stand out, focus on providing excellent customer service and maintaining your listings. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Next is translation services. With businesses going global, there's a growing demand for translators who can bridge language gaps. If you're fluent in multiple languages, this skill is perfect for you. Start by identifying the languages you're proficient in and practicing your translation skills. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the language pair and complexity. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and culturally relevant translations. You can find work on platforms like ProZ or Upwork. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Third is graphic design. From logos to social media posts, businesses need eye-catching visuals to stand out. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity. To get started, build a portfolio with sample projects and showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to small businesses or freelancers. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative career. Fourth is video editing. From YouTube videos to social media ads, there's a growing demand for skilled video editors. If you enjoy working with visuals and storytelling, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per video, depending on the length and complexity. To stand out, focus on creating engaging and professional edits. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to content creators directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. Finally, let's talk about lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and if you can help them find leads, you're in demand. As a lead generator, you'll research and provide contact information for potential clients. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn, Sales Navigator, or Hunter.io. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services. To stand out, focus on delivering high-quality leads and building relationships with clients. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose rental, translation services, graphic design, video editing, or lead generation, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.